Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm over here once again, and in this video I'm going to show you Pyypl new feature, which is the send to crypto to Binance offer. So before now, people have often complained about the high fees of Pyypl that involves you loading your Pyypl card. Then that was taking over 4%. Then you go to Binance and load. Okay, so right now you don't need to do that again. So all you need to do is you just need to send straight, have the funds in your account and send straight to Binance. Now you can still use the virtual card for other things, but this time around you don't really need to use your virtual card. All you need to do is to just fund your account. How do you fund your account? You just come right here and click on like the side money. You can, sorry, let me show you. All right, so when you fund your account, so first of all, what I will do is that I'm going to show you how to make deposit with the Pyypl card with the okay, so I'm going to show you how to make deposits. Okay, so let's say you click on add money and you use any of this method. Now if you're in Ghana and you can easily send money directly to your Pyypl account. Okay, but I'm making this video from Nigeria. Yeah, so what I need to do is that I can use my debit card, tap to it's another this thing. Okay, so you can also uh so that's the thing about, you can put your debit card and see that you receive this amount. But so when you have crypto directly in your account, this is the way to send it to Binance. So go to Binance and click on send to crypto, and so it will show me all I need to go on Binance to do is to you look for my USDT Pep20 wallet. So let me go on my Binance now and bring up my USDT Pep20 wallet. uh, So go on Binance, I'll copy it and I'll try to do a little practical on this video, guys. So I go under here called sports and I click on wallet. Uh, then I go and click on sports. Then I click on deposit. I click on deposit. I look for USDT. So I click on USDT. I click on Pep20. Okay. So this is it, like we're using the Binance chain smart chain wallet. So I copy it. I go back to my Pyypl account and so I click on this. I'll paste my address here. Okay, so when I paste my address here, I will say, oh sorry, I clicked. I went back. Okay, so I paste my address here. Now wait. Okay, so I write the amount I want to transfer. So I want to transfer 9.99. Okay, so this will come out 9.97 in my Binance account. So what I need to do, I'll click on next and I'll click on continue, guys. So you see that these funds will go straight up to my Binance account, or using this new feature. This money has been sent from your Tibaka, is processed on Binance. So it will take like 1 or 2 minutes to check back on my Binance account if the money has reflected. Now the charge is very small. You can see the charge there is just less than 2%, 2.3%, or less than 2%. Okay, so I'll show you has been sent. So I'll go to my Binance wallet and check if the funds has arrived, and we're making this video together. So click on this, I'll show you, and I'll just scroll through. So it's processing. You can see it's still coming 9.1 distance. All right. Okay, so that's I think it's complete now. Okay, so you see I got 9.19 funds in my account. Okay, so you can, if you're in Ghana, you can, in any of these countries, you can still use this this in future to send money directly to your Binance accounts. So for those good news for those of you in Ghana, you can now use your mobile money, that's both your MTN and Airtel, to fund your PYP account directly. Okay, and you can, once you fund that directly, you can use any of this crypto site. But this is for Binance. This side is for order exchange. You can see buy and sell. Okay, but this side is directly for Binance, guys. This side, guys. So this option you see here. Okay, so remember what happens here is that Binance charges, when money comes to your account, Binance charges you, I think, 0.8. Okay, like what happened here is 0.8 or 0. Let me see. Binance charges you 0.8 for the charges. So please transfer more than that. Okay, so this is like a good news. So you don't need to load your card and go straight to Binance to load. All you just need to do is that you will load the funds in your account in this add money option. Then when you load the funds, you can load with debit card, you can load with manual transfer, you can load with any of these methods, guys. Then you